Finding a comfortable position, whether seated or lying down. Closing your eyes. Letting out a deep sigh. Landing in your body. Just noticing how your body feels right now. If there's any part or parts that stand out. Awareness of your breath. Awareness of the room. The building. And beyond. And coming back to the body. Awareness of your hands. Palms facing upwards. Stretching out your arms. The fingers. The feeling of opening. Softening. Allow your hands and arms to relax. Shoulders loosening. Releasing any tension in the shoulders. Upper back. Lower back. The chest. The belly. The pelvic area. Your legs. Your feet. Softening the whole body. Releasing any tightness, any tension, any tiredness in the body. Now settling into your heart, the chest area. Opening the chest. Imagine that you are breathing in and breathing out through the heart. Inhaling through your heart and exhaling through your heart. In and out. In and out. Breathing in and breathing out through your heart. Your heart knows how to do this. And with every breath, feel your heart softening. Loosening. Relaxing. Every breath, feeling your heart opening. Ready to breathe. Ready to expand. Unfolding in the front. Unfolding in the back. and folding on the sides. With every breath, allowing the heart to stretch. Green light emanating from the heart area. Glowing green light, expanding with every breath. Just observing the shade of green that you are sensing or seeing. Now sensing, feeling, becoming aware of a giant heart behind you. This giant heart is filled with unconditional love, infinite love. And just notice how big this giant heart is for you. Is it as big as a house? Or as big as a mountain? Perhaps it's as big as a planet. Just notice how big this giant heart is for you. And this giant heart is here for you, ready to connect if you allow, if you are open, if you feel ready. Sensing that part of you that is open and ready to connect with this giant heart. Feeling your back gently softening, gently opening, and allowing the giant heart to connect with your own heart. Sensing, feeling the light of the giant heart. Sensing its energy. Sensing its love. How much are you ready to receive? Feeling of being held, embraced from behind. Feeling of being supported, coming recharged, replenished. Amplifying the energy of your heart, allowing your own heart to expand to the size of the room. Beating in sync with a giant heart. The feeling of allowing, accepting, receiving trusting, surrendering, receiving with love, with gratitude, receiving with awareness, readiness, openness. And as you receive, connect with the giant heart, become aware of an even bigger heart behind it. Infinite love, infinite energy, infinite light. The infinite heart. And as you receive, allowing every cell in your body to receive, to open, to allow. Now, in front of you, if you're ready to share this energy, the infinite light, infinite love, sharing it to everyone in front of you right now. Anyone whom you feel will benefit from this energy. Your heart as the vessel, the carrier, transmitter, and channel, amplifying this energy from the infinite heart, the sacred heart, blasting them with your light. In this energy, seeing each person, situation, receiving it. See everyone. Smile. Become aware of their divine spark, their light becoming amplified by the light that you are sending. Telling everyone, I love you. You are loved. You are worthy. You are whole. You are perfect. You are complete. Allowing your heart to embrace them, each person and each situation, event. Allowing your heart to expand even more, expanding above and below, connecting to Mother Earth, rooted deeply into the center of the earth, so that you are also a channel for the Mother's love, connected to above, to infinity, and allowing your heart to expand the size of the planet, open, ready, and free. Staying in this feeling, just observing how you feel right now. Heart stretched out into infinity, feeling free, feeling open, feeling ready. Ready to love, ready to be who you are, ready to walk your path. And as we slowly return to the physical, I invite you to keep your heart open. There is no need to shut it down. You are safe. Remember, the giant heart is always here behind you, replenishing, recharging you, embedding this feeling of safety into every cell. Taking a deep breath in, slowly and gently letting go. And as you return, I invite you to maintain some of this awareness of your heart, open, ready, and free.